You've got to wait when you enter a new environment, when you're a person who has superpower, a person who has attraction, is attractive, right? Which may or may not be handsome, could be just your energy or just your willpower or just vitality in general. Different things make you attractive. But what you need to do is you need to wait when you enter a new environment for people to calm down. Give it 2-3 weeks, yeah? Because understand that you are naturally disruptive because of said vitality, because of said intention, because of said attractive quality. You will find that people humanize you because they need to. They need to make jokes about you. They need to figure out what's wrong with you. They'll ask you questions purely for this purpose. Something must be wrong with this guy. Let me probe at him, whatever it is. It looks like attacking, but it's not. It's coping. A person is trying to make themselves relative to you. And this is super annoying. You'll know what I'm talking about. I'm pretty sure you know what I'm talking about. It's not everyone, but there's certain people that this happens to. Now, the reason why I say it's not like malicious is because sort of imagine you were scary and you scared someone. You'd have to wait for them to regulate themselves. Imagine if you were beautiful and you just intoxicated someone with your appearance. You'd have to wait for them to settle. A person will return to normal after some time, and you sort of have to let them understand that you disrupted them by being spectacular. There's nothing wrong with you. Calm down and wait. There's nothing wrong with them except that you're beautiful.
This guy's